Hi, everybody. Meteorologist Joe Cioffi here. Weather in 5 days and 5 minutes. And we're going to start off with the tropical disturbance that is moving off the Florida coast and heading to the northeast. This is potential tropical cyclone 1, which it has been potential tropical cyclone 1 for 3 days now. And the rain has been the big issue here. It has been the issue all along, and we still have a little bit more work to do with regards to the rain in parts of South and Southeast Florida. You can see some of the lightning flashes going on there, but it is moving along to the northeast. Rain has been heavy in many places, and it's going to start to abate as we go through the afternoon and into the evening hours. As we check out the radar down in South Florida, you can see it here. It's mostly on the coast now with some heavy downpours from Miami south over to Key West. We've got flash flood warnings up in a few places. We've got special marine warnings, but much of the rain in western Florida is done. It's been mostly confined to central and south Florida, south of I-4, and headed down, and it picks up more as you head down into southeast Florida. That's really where the heaviest rain has been. And we're going to start to see weather conditions improve as this system moves away. So as it moves off the coast, it's probably going to tighten up and strengthen into a tropical storm passing north of Bermuda during the day on Monday, and then it's long gone. And after that, for now at least, we see the tropics being quiet. Okay, let's go back to the northeast where the weather is quite nice, actually. We have a really nice looking day. Skies are mostly clear except for a little cloudiness along the coast of New England and southeastern New England and offshore. Again, also along coastal North Carolina, seeing a few clouds. But elsewhere, it's just a really nice day in Virginia, in much of North and South Carolina, down to Georgia, and into Ohio, Kentucky, and West Virginia. And of course, the radars up and down the East Coast are nice and quiet. A couple of showers up scattered around in parts of Maine, and that's really it there. And as we head out to the west, there's a little curl here, a little upper air disturbance that is producing a concentration of some showers and thunderstorms in parts of Kansas, and it's moving to the northeast. It's got that comma shaped. It's just on the smallish side, and then we've got some more showers at midday here up around the Great Lakes, and seeing a little bit of activity up in the Pacific Northwest with some rain or showers moving in with the next weather system that's headed there. Storm Prediction Center has a slight risk of severe weather today from parts of Nebraska and western Kansas down into western Oklahoma with a larger area of marginal risk. There's not a whole lot going on from the standpoint of severe weather risk the next couple of days. A slight risk in Nebraska and much of Kansas for Sunday, and then for Monday. And by the way, you'll notice that here in the east, there's no chance of any shower or thunderstorm activity Sunday or Monday. And we've got a slight risk back in southwest Kansas. So it's the Central Plains seem to be getting the concentration of severe weather this week. Nothing showing up in the long range at the moment. An east-west band of heavy rain of several inches from the Central Plains to the middle Mississippi Valley and into the lower Ohio Valley. Up and down the East Coast, it's not too bad in terms of total rainfall amounts, as we're seeing generally a quarter to a half inch, a bit more though in upstate New York and into New England, up to an inch and a quarter. And with the leftover rains from today, this is all front end loaded, and it goes back to 8 a.m. this morning, so it also includes the last 3 hours of rain, where we're looking at several inches total for today on top of everything else that's fallen since yesterday, and that is with the tropical system moving out to the northeast. Okay, weather going forward. Not too much happening here. We've got this really nice day today across the northeast. Our disturbance there from this morning. The actual low center is well away from where all the convection is, by the way. It's going to reform offshore and head out. Meanwhile, we've got high pressure here building in for tonight and for Sunday. Now, there might be a few clouds around Sunday afternoon. There's a bit of a warm front. It's a little tough to see here, but it's a bit of a warm front that's going to be setting up to our northwest. So we might get a little bit of clouds coming into the mix during the day tomorrow, some high clouds, but nothing really to take away from what should be a decent day. 70s to near 80 today, 70s for tomorrow from northeast Virginia to southern New England, with a wind coming in from a little bit more off the ocean tomorrow than today, especially in the afternoon. Then on Monday, really don't see too much with that little warm front to our north, other than some clouds and some sun mixed. We should see our temperatures trend back a little higher on Monday, back up mid 70s to some lower 80s, and then Tuesday comes the next weather maker with a cold front and maybe some showers or a thunderstorm late in the afternoon into the evening. Not seeing anything severe as far as severe weather risk is concerned. That front's going to get hung up, so we'll probably have some clouds around on Wednesday, and then here comes the next low. That's going to be going by to our west, and this could bring some showers and thunderstorms here later Wednesday night and on Thursday as the low goes by. We'll keep an eye on this. This might, if it's a little slower, it could produce maybe some severe weather risk later on Thursday as the cold low goes by and then the cold front goes by. And then beyond that, we're just going to take that low up into Maine, and Friday looks good. Next Saturday looks well. Friday looks good. Saturday, here comes the next weather system, and that's going to be bringing in some rain or showers for next Saturday, followed by or thunderstorms, and then followed by a dry weather situation for next Sunday. There's no hot weather coming anytime soon. It's just a quick look at the way the upper air patterns are setting up in the long range. We've got the Pacific North America Index going a little bit negative, so that's going to tend to favor ridging in the east to a slight degree. And the North Atlantic Oscillation, which tells us about how much blocking there is or isn't in the North Atlantic, is right on the neutral line. It's negative now, but it's right on the neutral line. So those two factors are going to be fighting themselves out, and it does open us, just keeps us in a mode where we're getting weather fronts coming through every couple of days, and when those fronts go by, we get showers and thunderstorms. Maybe there could be some severe weather risk in it with any given cold front on any given time that it moves through. But we don't see anything major going on as we move through this week. Weather systems are just primarily moving from west to east. So that means at most it could get very warm for one day, but it's hard for us to get hot in a situation like that. Okay, Joe and Joe show back tomorrow at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. We hope to see you then. By the way, I had my ankle surgery yesterday. It not only went perfectly, but it actually went better than expected. And I'm actually able to put weight on it already, which is really, really good. So I'm glad that all went well. And this latest medical episode in my life is past the worst part of it. So have a great day. Enjoy the sunshine and the nice weather, and we'll see you later.